Trademark clothing – everything you need to know. Trademark clothing is when the designer's name or fashion company is inextricably linked to the clothing itself. This includes having the trademark on the tag or emblazoned on the piece of clothing. The process of trademarking clothing is complex. There are several steps to take when filing for a clothing trademark, and even more questions you'll have to ask yourself throughout the process. Clothing lines and fashion designers need to protect their brands, names, slogans, and logos. They do this by obtaining valuable trademarks. Brand name clothing and fashion is important because it denotes a level of quality to the customer. Your clothing line must be unique with an original name, slogan, and logo in order to qualify for trademark protection. You can gain protection for your clothing brand by having your lawyer file a trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. This entitles you to legal protections for your brand, including the brand name, slogan, or logo. The main reason to have your fashion trademarked is to identify your clothing line. A complete business with a logo, slogan, and name is more valuable to both inventors and customers. The biggest reason for trademarking your clothing line comes down to protection. A federally registered trademark comes with the greatest amount of protections when it comes to your brand name. Once approved, no one else can use your trademark without your permission, unless it falls under fair use. There are 3 ways to obtain secured trademarks for clothing: use in commercial trade, state registration, and federal registration. It's important to remember that trademarks do not, in fact, protect patterns, clothing designs, or artwork. These unique elements require copyright protection instead. As a designer, you automatically own the copyrights to your designs, artwork, and patterns from the moment you create the item in a physical form, including initial sketches. To trademark clothing, take the following steps. 1. Come up with a unique brand name that stands out from the rest. 2. Check trademark databases. 3. Create your brand name and logo. 4. Start using your brand name and logo. 5. Register your trademark and logo. 6. Prevent all forms of unauthorized use and infringement to enforce and protect your legal rights. 7. Renew your trademark rights every 10 years and copyright all desired clothing designs. Ensure your clothing line is trademarked without a hitch by consulting one of the lawyers on UpCounsel.